Are you tired of buying expensive magnets for your fridge or bulletin board? Why not try making your own? Not only is it a fun and creative project, but it's also cost-effective. Hello viewers, and welcome to our video on DIY magnet tutorial tips and tricks from the pros. Whether you're a craft enthusiast or simply curious about the science behind magnets, this video is for you. So let's dive into the video, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe the channel. How to make your own magnets, exploring the basics. Before we jump into the step-by-step process, let's understand the fundamentals of making your own magnets. Magnets are objects that produce a magnetic field and have the ability to attract certain materials, such as iron or steel. By harnessing this magnetic force, you can create your own custom magnets using a few simple techniques. What materials do you need to make magnets? To make your own magnets, you'll need a few basic materials that can easily be found at any craft store or online. First and foremost, you'll need magnetic strips or sheets. These come in various sizes and strengths, so choose the one that best fits your needs. Next up is adhesive material such as glue or double-sided tape to attach the magnet to your chosen decorative embellishments. This step is important as applying enough adhesive will ensure that your magnet stays together. You'll also require decorative embellishments like stickers, photos, buttons, fabric scraps, anything really. Get creative with it. You can even use small trinkets like bottle caps and beads for a unique touch. How to make magnets step by step. Making your own magnets can be a fun and rewarding project. Here are the steps you'll need to follow. You will need magnetic strips, scissors, glue, and any decorative materials you want to use. Use scissors to cut your magnetic strips into small pieces that are roughly the size of your decorative materials. Applying the adhesive. Once you have your design template ready, it's time to apply the adhesive. Using a glue stick or double-sided tape, carefully attach the adhesive to the back of your design elements. Ensure that the adhesive covers the entire surface area that will be in contact with the magnet. This step is crucial as it will secure your designs onto the magnet surface, preventing them from peeling off over time. Attaching the magnet. Now that your designs are ready, it's time to attach the magnet to the back. Cut out a piece of magnet sheet or strip that matches the shape and size of your design template. Peel off the protective backing and carefully place the magnet on the back side of your design, ensuring it aligns perfectly. Press down firmly to ensure a strong bond between the adhesive and the magnet. This step completes the physical construction of your magnets. Drying and curing process. After attaching the magnet, it's important to allow sufficient drying and curing time. Place your completed magnets on a flat surface in a well-ventilated area. Let them dry for at least 24 hours to ensure that the adhesive fully sets and the bond between the magnet and the design becomes secure. This step is crucial for the long-term durability and functionality of your homemade magnets. Adding personal touches. To make your magnets truly special, consider adding personal touches. You can write personalized messages or names with a permanent marker or include small decorative items, such as glitter, sequins, or tiny stickers. Adding these extra details will further enhance the uniqueness of your magnets and make them stand out even more. Troubleshooting common issues. While making your own magnets is a fun and straightforward process, you may encounter some common issues along the way. To avoid smudging your designs, allow them to dry completely before applying the adhesive. If smudging does occur, carefully clean the surface with a damp cloth or start over with a fresh design. If you're experiencing difficulty with the adhesive sticking, ensure that the magnet surface is clean and free of dust or debris. You can wipe it with a clean cloth before attaching the adhesive. If your designs start to peel off over time, it may indicate that the adhesive wasn't applied evenly or that the bond wasn't strong enough. Consider reapplying the adhesive or using a stronger adhesive for better durability. Tips and tricks from the pros. If you're interested in making your own magnets, it's always helpful to learn a few tips and tricks from experienced makers. Here are some valuable insights that we've gathered from the pros. Firstly, remember that the strength of your magnet depends on factors like size, shape, and magnetic material. Using rare earth magnets can provide a stronger pull than standard ceramic ones. Another tip is to be sure to use gloves when handling neodymium magnets, as they are extremely strong and can cause injury if mishandled. Additionally, consider using a magnetizer or demagnetizer tool for precision magnetizing or demagnetizing. When constructing your magnetic project, take care not to place opposite poles too close together or they will cancel each other out. It's also important to avoid heating up magnets too much, as this can weaken their magnetic properties. How to use your magnets. After successfully making your own magnets, the next step is to learn how to use them effectively. Here are some tips on how you can make the most out of your newly made magnets. Firstly, you can use magnets to organize your workspace by attaching them onto a magnetic board or surface and using them to hold important notes, reminders, or even tools such as scissors and rulers. This will help keep everything in one place and easily accessible. Another way to use your magnets is for decoration purposes. You can create unique fridge magnet designs with different patterns and colors that reflect your personal style. These decorative magnets not only add an extra element of interest but also serve as reminders for important tasks such as grocery lists or appointments. Magnets can also be used in science experiments or demonstrations at home or in school environments. For example, exploring magnetic fields through experiments like creating compasses from needles and paper clips. In addition, there are practical applications for magnets, such as using them to secure doors, curtains, or cabinets shut without having to install locks or latches. With these various ideas on how you can use your homemade magnets creatively, the possibilities are endless. So, this was our today's video. I hope you all like this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe my channel. And also share it with your friends and family. We will be back soon with a new video. Till then, keep supporting and take care.